This is the all-new flagship foldable, the Honor Magic V6. What surprised me the most about this device is that it launched a full quarter earlier than last year's Magic V5, also with a global debut at MWC 2026. It makes me wonder, why does Honor keep committing to this still niche market? Let's dive in and find out what this phone is really capable of. There are no blockbuster surprises in the design. It keeps Honor's family design language while bringing some fine-tuned optimizations and upgrades. The unit we have here for this review is called Champagne Gold, a warm shade that sits between classic gold and a soft light brown. It's understated yet premium, never overly flashy, and I personally prefer this colorway far more than the more eye-catching limited edition. We measured its thickness, which came in at 9mm. Admittedly, it is slightly thicker than the Magic V5, but thanks to its smoothly rounded frame design, this tiny difference is almost unnoticeable when held in hand. Compared to the bar phones, it delivers a nearly identical hand feel. There's no bulky or cumbersome sensation at all, which was a really pleasant surprise. The rear camera module carries over the iconic octagonal Star Trek design from the Magic V5 with a narrowed metal ring that creates a smoother, more seamless transition between the module and the back panel. When you rotate the phone under light, you can clearly see the finely engraved details on the module with a mechanical precision that fully matches its flagship positioning. Subjectively, the camera bump on this generation is less prominent than that of the Magic V5, giving the back a more integrated, sleek, and modern look from every angle. When it comes to weight, the Magic V6 still maintains excellent control of that. Paired with the rounded frame, it offers a comfortable one-handed grip and is easy to carry around for daily commutes. What's more, the Magic V6 comes with a full-grade water and dust resistance, which can easily handle daily splashes and use in rainy weather. It fixes the shortcoming of the previous gen's lower ingress protection rating, greatly improving the long-term durability. The Honor Magic V6 is equipped with a dual flagship-grade displays on both its inner and outer panels, both with top-tier specs. The inner screen is a larger 2352 by 2172 panel made with a UTG ultra-thin flexible glass, supporting a 1 to 120Hz LTPO adaptive refresh rate. It can dynamically adjust the refresh rate for different content on screen. It lowers the rate when viewing documents to save power and runs at a full 120Hz when watching videos or playing games to ensure smoothness. It made a perfect balance between fluidity and battery life. As for the most concerned crease control, I think the Magic V6 performance exceeded our expectations. After using for about a week, compared to the time when we unboxed it, the crease is still extremely shallow even when viewed against the light, and is almost imperceptible when viewed front-on in daily use. The performance is significantly better than that of the other mainstream foldable devices after long-term use. In addition, Honor continues to lead the industry in eye protection features. Both the inner and outer screens support ultra-high-frequency PWM dimming, which automatically switches to high-frequency dimming mode in ultra-low brightness environments, effectively reducing screen flicker and visual fatigue. For users sensitive to screen flicker, the Magic V6 displays provide a far more comfortable viewing experience. The imaging system of the Magic V6 is the most surprising upgrade for me, as it completely breaks the stereotype in my mind that foldable phones have to make big compromises on camera performance. First up is the 50MP main camera. It has outstanding power, capturing rich, fine details across the frame, and the image remains sharp and clear even after cropping and zooming in. In low-light environments, the advantage of the large sensor is even more obvious. The other key lens is a periscope telephoto camera supporting multi-level optical zoom and maintains excellent image quality even at the 3x and 6x zoom. That said, the AI kicks in more at the 6x zoom level. That said, the AI kicks in more at the 6x zoom level. It performs excellently when shooting landscapes and architecture, but runs into some issues when capturing text, especially in indoor environments. The Honor Magic V6 features a 6660 mAh battery, which is essentially the largest capacity available in foldable smartphones. However, in China, a variant with a 7150 mAh battery is also offered. Even with its current capacity, it still holds a significant advantage over Samsung and iPhone models. At the same time, its charging efficiency has been further improved, supporting both 80-watt wired and 66-watt wireless fast charging. Unfortunately, the global version does not come with a charger in the box, but we were still able to get solid, satisfying charging performance using a PPS-compatible charger. We believe the Honor Magic V6 is a foldable flagship with virtually no shortcomings and one of the most sincere, well-made products in the global foldable market in early 2026. Although its early launch caught everyone off guard and it is slightly thicker than the previous generation, its overall performance remains solid and reliable. While Oppo and Samsung are set to launch their new foldable devices later this year, based on current leaks, we think they will struggle to outperform this well-rounded Magic V6, and that all-round balance is its biggest highlight. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews.